Okay, now in our next section, 3.32, problem solving in geometry. This time is circle's area and the circle's circumference. By the definition, circumference meaning the length, or call it parameter, but in the circle we give it a name circumference, how long that whole circle is. You have a formula for circumference using the diameter. Diameter is the longest side, from one side passing the center to the other side, the longest side. It's called the diameter. And radius is just the center to each side, but just half of your diameter. That's why this formula is diameter times pi. Pi is a number, 3.14. It's a special number. Or you can use 2 times the radius, that's just the diameter, times pi. That's circumference, how long. These are the formulas is in our textbook, 204 at the bottom there. Okay? So you need to get into there to do your homework or your exam. The circle's area, the formula there, pi r squared. This is radius squared times pi. Okay? Now we're gonna use these two formulas to do our checkpoint number 2. This is our page 205. 205. Okay. Now we're gonna erase this part. The diameter of a circular landing pad. Okay, circular landing pad. Assuming that look like this, or a helicopter in the building or in the ground. It could landing pad is 40 like a circle, 40 feet. The diameter is 40 feet. So the longest side, 40. Then the question asks for the area of the circumference of the landing pad. The requirement here in instruction, express answer in terms of pi, part 1. Part 2, then round your answer to the nearest foot or square foot. Okay, now for the first part of the question, find the area and circumference of this circle. So we use this formula. For the circumference, use this formula. Since we already have our diameter, so just go ahead and use this formula. If you have a radius, use this formula. So that's formula, dr, d is 40, r is pi. Okay, the first part of the question asks in terms of pi, just keep it like this. And then second part, rounded to the nearest foot, nearest feet. So if you use your calculator, okay, this calculator, so you use 40 times pi. Pi you can use 3.14 or use exact value here, pi here. So what you get is 120, this is 125.6637, okay? This is using exact value there. That's why when you round to the nearest foot, so for this answer you should be 126. If you are using 3.14, let's see what answer could be. This is just abbreviated form. 3.14. You could get 100. This will get you 125.6. You will also round to 126. There could be another way, another number, 3.1416. You could have a little different, but you want this should be 126. In our textbook, let me see. Yeah, 126. That's right. For the circumference. For the area, okay, this is for the circumference. For the area, okay, we have to keep this formula there. Pi r squared. So pi r. R in this case, since we have diameter 40, so you need to divide it by 2. So you get a 20 pi. This is a square foot. Okay? Oh, wait a minute. This should be square. So 20 square. So 20 square pi should be 400 pi square feet. Okay? Using the pi. Then round to the nearest square foot. Let's see. 400 times pi. This pi. So our number here show that 1256.637 dot dot dot. So nearest foot. So you need to the digit after the single number here 6. You add 1 to here. So your number should be 1257 square foot. Okay, that's for this answer. Okay, this is our area of the circumference, area and circumference of the circle.